goddamn get it on, will ya? Woo. When I blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a product that will actually shine, clean and wax your car, and doing this with this product will make your car's paintwork last forever. I've been using this product for a very long time on all my cars, and a lot of you always ask me, how do I make my cars pop and bling, especially because I've got all the colours that actually bling. For instance, the black, the gunmetal grey and my Silverstone blue, and this is the products I actually use to actually make this happen. So I'm going to get onto the video and I'm going to show you the products I use, and I'm going to show you how you actually use it to make your car's paintwork actually last forever and actually make it bling like you see on my cars. Okay guys, so as you guys know, a lot of you always ask me what's the products I always use to keep my paintwork always in pristine condition, and how I look after it and how I remove all the dirt and things like that. So I always use these products right here, which is the Meguiar's ceramic wax. So what you do with this is you go around the car and spray this on once you've actually cleaned the car and cleaned all the crap off the car, and then you spray this off and leave it to dry on, and it will actually wax the car. This is the one I always end up using, which is the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. The next one I then use is this one right here, and this is the one we're going to be using today, and this is because I've already waxed the car. Every time I wash it I always spray it on, especially when I take it to the car wash, to have it wax constantly, and then I use this as the detailer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I actually use this. So you'll see here what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to spray this on the car, as you see there. We're just going to spray it all over the car, and you're going to see the results after we clean it. This is how I do it all the time. Leave it to sit a minute, and then what you'll do is get your microfiber cloth and just clean it all off, as you'll see. And because this car's waxed on a regular, it doesn't leave any marks, and it actually cleans the cars up to perfection. So you'll see here how it comes up completely, and I use this for the whole car, and I come out and do this constantly. So you see here how shiny the car's coming out. To the point a lot of you probably see my reflection sitting in the car now as well, and yes, I know it's got the stone chips. They're all going to be addressed on the bonnet itself, or the hood, I don't know what you guys call it, but you see here how clean the car comes out to before. Now if you'd seen the before, you would have seen how dirty it was. I've actually cleaned it all up, and you see here, you know, most of everything left is just stone chips, but the paintwork is actually pristine, and it's actually glowing off the bonnet or hood itself. But this is what the products I use to actually look after my paintwork on this car, because a lot of people always question me about my pristine bodywork on the car. So if you take a look here where all the dirt and grime is compared to here, and the majority of it you'll see is just stone chips, you'll see here just how dirty that part of the paintwork is, which we're going to shine up. So if you look there, we're just going to spray this on here as well, and you'll see here how it just kills all the grime on that section. And if we just get a cloth now and just wipe that off, you'll see how nice and clean that actually comes off here as well. Completely clean and free of muck or dirt all over the car. And as you see there, it literally leaves it gleaming and shining just by this product. It's very simple to use, very easy to use, and this is how, guys, when you will see my cars on the video and everyone's saying that my car is, as I said, popping, this is the product I use to make that happen. So the next bit I want to show you is obviously the bumper. Now this does work for paintwork, but this also works for plastics as well. So we're going to go here and just spray this all down, and I'm going to show you how clean it looks after. So you actually see here how clean it's cleaning the bumper as well. And this is the products, as I said, I use all the time. I use this probably once a week, come out and clean all the cars. You can use it on your headlights, you can use it on your paintwork, you can practically use it anywhere on the car where there's dirt or where there's marks. Okay, so as you've just seen there, I've just shown you now a product that if you actually use these products correctly, your car's paintwork will actually last forever. And the reason I've done this video is a lot of you guys always ask me regarding my paintwork on my car and how I look after it. Now let's just remove the stone chips for a second. The stone chips can be repaired, but if I had the stone chips actually repaired and rectified on this car, which I actually plan to, especially on my black one, because you can see that like visible and I don't like it, this car will actually be blinging. Now these Meguiar's products, I've used them for a very long time. for the last 3 years, and I've never ever had one issue. Now, as you guys know, I'm a very big fan of Meguiar's. I've got every single product of theirs here, and I've got car polishing machines from them and everything. Now, if many of you guys want to go and buy this, I will link it in the description below, but this product actually works wonders, and I do highly recommend it if you are looking for a product that actually is going to shine up your paintwork and actually look after it. Meguiar's is the only brand I actually trust, and it's actually good for paintwork on cars, and I know it doesn't destroy the paintwork like a lot of other products. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.